Hi, thank you for watching how to create a website using Google Sites. My name is Erica Gonzalez and I'm going to show you how to create a website easy, practical, fast, and for free. First, you're going to need a Google account. In case you don't have one, don't worry. You can create one for free. What you have to do is go to Google Search. Once you are there, you are going to type create a new account. Hit enter. And the first option is create your Google account. We are going to click there. And it brings you to this tab where you are going to create your Google account. It's asking you for your first name, your last name. Here you're going to create your username and you can mix it with letters, numbers, and periods. And your Gmail account is going to have at arroba or at gmail.com. Here you're going to create your password. Your password has to be more than 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And it's asking you to confirm the password. A recommendation is to write down your name, your username, and password in case you forget it. Once you have your Google account ready, you are going to your Google account, and in the right side you will see where it says Google Apps. You are going to click there and you are going to look at different applications, and we're looking for Drive. You are going to click there and it's going to take you to your Drive account. You are going to hit New and you will see different files, and we're going to More, Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites. Bingo! This is the place that we're hitting, that we need to open our Google Sites. You click there and you will see a standard site website, untitled site. So we need to create our name. We have to fill up this Google site with the information that we want. Let's start by naming your website. In this case, I'm going to name it Erica's Restaurant. Okay? And here we have the option to change the image in the background. We can change the header type. We can change to cover the whole page, large banner, medium banner, or the title only. For me, I would like to have a banner, but I don't like much these colors, so I want to change it. So in order for us to do it, we can go to change image. We're going to click here. We have upload or select image. Upload is if you have images in your computer that you would like to use, but we're going to use select image. Here you have options. Google provides you with a gallery. Here you have different images that you can use if you like them. In case you don't like it, you can search by URL, which means that you can search in any other websites. Also, you can search images. And the advantage that you have is that Google provides you the image that are for commercial reuse, which means that you are not going to get in trouble by using these images. So since it is a restaurant, let's look for gourmet food. And you will see different pictures. Everything looks so tasty. So let me see what will be the best one that aligns with my restaurant. I like I like this image. So I'm going to select it. And let's see if it changes the background. Perfect. And did you notice that? Did you see how Google managed to adapt the writing with the picture? It looks amazing, isn't it? Okay, so now we have the name of the site, the website, and we have a picture. But let's put a title in our document. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put Erica's restaurant. So I know when I'm looking for it, I know what I'm be looking for. Okay, so now you have main ideas. Can you see how pretty it's looking? Okay, so we have the option to insert text box, images, embedded codes, or information for Google Drive. Or we can insert a design here. So I want to create this one, so I'm going to add a picture of select image. So I'm going to look and search. So I'm going to search for a dessert. Gourmet dessert. Dessert. Search, enter. Everything looks so tasty. Let's choose I like this image. So let's choose that one. Let's see how it looks. Looks tasty, isn't it? So what I want to put here is going to be welcome to my restaurant where everything is tasty. See? So now we have our welcome page. We have a nice images, the name of the restaurant, and the title. So now we're going to insert some pages, right? We need to add more information. So we have the pages section and we can add with the plus sign. So I want to add history, done. I'm going to add obviously menu. I'm going to add location, and I'm going to use the symbol and hours of operation. And I can add contact us. Done. And you will see how the tabs appear here on the top. So we have home, we have history, menu, location, and hours of operation, and contact us. Let's try in location and hours of operation. It says that we can insert things. So what about we do this? Let's insert this layout. Okay, I like it. So what we're going to do here is giving you options right here. Upload, select images from Drive, YouTube, calendar, and map. I would like to add a map. So we're going to be located at Chicago downtown. Okay, so let's select, and it's giving you a map right here. So let's select. We have a map. Yay! We can add text here, hours of operation, right? Hit enter. We can change the text size. Normal text. We can say Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And here we have location and hours on operation. Let's try. Let's check if it's working. So we have home page. We have history. We can add any tab that we like. Menu. We can add the menu later. Location and hours of operation. There you go. Looks so nice, isn't it? Contact us. We can insert information here. So as you can see, it's very easy to manage this website. So the option also that you have is that you can share. You can add people that would like to share or to help you design this website. You can do a preview where you can look at your website, how it's going to look when you publish it. So you can go to home. This is the way it's going to look. History, menu. So as you can see, the tabs are working. Right? Downtown Chicago. Very good. We close it. Exit preview. And now when you finish your website design, you are going to publish. Press publish. And this is the website address, the web address that you're going to have. This is going to be your information. And then after you name your restaurant, you hit publish, and you have the options to custom your web address, who can view your site, anyone, and search settings. Request public search engines not to display my site. So once again, you manage the publish, how you're going to publish your website any way you wish, and then you publish it. And after you publish, anyone can see your website. Once again, you want to see it, you can view it, and you can share your information to any of your friends. I hope you liked this video, and I hope this one was helpful for your website design. You have any questions, please send me a message in this link, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.